Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon MAXIFY GX5520X printer on your computer. So whether it's a Mac OS or Windows device or even Linux, in today's tutorial I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge in today's tutorial. And we're going to search for Canon MAXIFY GX5520X software. Go ahead and search for that. And then it should be a Canon support page. You want to get it directly from Canon here. So it should be Canon support for MegaTank MAXIFY GX5520X. Go ahead and select that. And then once you're on this page, you want to scroll down underneath Downloads and select Software and Drivers. And now select the correct operating system and version number. And then once you've done that, again, you can do either Windows, Linux, or Mac. And then go underneath Master Setup and select the Download button. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and select Open File. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the web browser and then select your language from the drop-down as well as your region and give us a moment to start up. And then select Start Setup. And you want to select the required option up at the top. And you can select the optional updates too if you want, but you don't have to. And we're going to go ahead and select Next. And then select OK. The optional ones more have to do with the cloud services, so just keep that in mind. You want to make sure the power is turned on for your printer, and then select Next, and then follow along with this screen. And then you want to select either Wi-Fi, wired LAN connection, or USB connection, whatever your preference is. And then you would select Next. And then follow along with the on-screen prompts. If you're using the wireless route, you may need to set up the settings directly on the printer before proceeding with the step. But it should be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to proceed here. Just follow along with the on-screen prompts, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.